Hi friends, in previous session we learned the alter commands in a SQL server. Now in this session we learn the date functions in a SQL server. So SQL provide the some predefined date functions like a get data. So this function used to get the today data. So how to get a today data? Select, okay, get data. So get date is a predefined function as data. This is the alias name I am giving. Now execute this function. Okay, so I'm getting the today data. Now what I want a add I want to add a 1 year to this current data. So we have a one more date function called date add. Okay, date add. Now we'll see how to that. Select date add. So the date add is a predefined function, and if you observe it is showing the interval. So I want add a year, so year, and how many years you want. Okay, how many years you want add to the current date. So I'm just adding the one. Okay, and this is a expression get data. So current year, for current year I want add a one extra year. So now if you observe here 2020 2023 it is showing. Now I'm giving a alias name okay, as data. If I run this query, okay, if I run this query I'm getting the 2000 okay 2024. So if I add 5, that means 5 years we are adding to the current year. Now run this function and execute. So I'm adding the 5 years. So for current year it is added 5 years. Now I want to add a month instead of year. I want to add a month. So how to add a month to the current data, current data. Okay, here we added the year. How to, okay, how to add year year to the current data. Okay, now I want to add a month instead of the year. Select, okay, date add. So instead of year I want to add a month. So I'm giving month. Okay, I want to add 2 months to the current data. Okay, as data. Now run this query. Okay, I'm adding the 2 months. Okay, instead of here I'm adding 2 months. Now I'm changing here 4 instead of 2. I'm changed to 4. Now see, the month changed to 9. Now current month is 5. I added a 4. Now month changed to 9. And if you want 6, means we are adding the 6 months to the current data. Okay, execute. Now see, month is changed. So instead of month I want to add a date, mean days. How to add days to the current data. Okay, now select data. Okay, date add. Here I'm giving day instead of a month. I'm giving a day. I want to add 10 days to the current data. Get data as data. Okay, now run this query. Now see, 10 days added. Now I want to add a 15 days. Now execute this query. So we are adding the 15 days. Okay, so whatever we have done, we added the year, month, date to the current date. Now I want to get a previous, means 2022 or a 2020. I want to get a previous year or a previous month. I want to less to the current date. So how to how to get how to get a how to get a previous year, how to get a previous year. So by using this data add also I'm able to get. Now how to see, select date add. So I want to get a year. Okay, so year -1 I'm giving. So get a data. Okay, as date. Okay, now run this query. We'll get a 2022. Now I want change, instead of 1 I'm changing to 2. Okay, now run this query. Now see, here will change to the 21. Now if I change -5, so for current data I'm subtracting the year -5. See, now here I'm getting the 18. Now instead of year I want to get a previous 1 month or 2 months. So how to get or subtract month to the current data. So select date add. Okay, date add, instead of year now I'm giving the interval as a month. So give -2. Okay, to the current data as a date. Okay, now run this query. So if I run, now see, month is getting the 3. Now if I change 4, instead of 2 I'm changing to 4. So observe here, now it is a month displaying 3. Now if I run this query, now I'm getting the month 1. So now current month is a 5. So I given a -4. Now it is showing the month is a January. Now same like that I want to I want to subtract date. Okay, instead of year, month, I want to subtract dates. How to subtract days to the current date. Okay, current date. So whatever I'm doing now, all this we'll use a real-time scenario. That is why I'm giving more examples. Okay, so please practice all these queries. Select date add. Okay, instead of a month, year, now I'm using the day. Now -10 I given a. Okay, get date means current date as date. Okay, as a date. Now run this. Okay, see here I'm getting the data subtract. Now instead of 10 I'm giving -1. So observe here. Okay, see here, now date changed to 2. Now instead of 1 I'm giving 5, means we are subtracting the 5 days to the current date. Now see, month changed to 4 and days changed to 28. Okay, so like this we have a date function add data. We'll use in a real time. So if you want to add a year to the current data, if you want to add a month, if you want to add days, and if you want to get a previous year or a previous month or a previous days, so by using date add function we can achieve all these scenarios. Okay friends, thanks for watching the video. In coming video we'll discuss more functions on date functions. Okay, So thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.